am Sudarshan, your social studies master. Today, I will explain about Grand Test 1. Grand Test 1, social studies paper. So you know that 100 marks, question paper 100 marks. 4 sections is there. Section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. 4 sections. In first section, Grand Test 1 social studies. In first section, in section 1, in first section 1 mark questions are there. 12 1 mark questions. 12 1 mark questions. 12 into 1, 12 marks. 12 1 mark questions. Yes, for example, number 1. Write any 2 hill stations located in the Lesser Himalayas. Hill stations in the Lesser Himalayas, Mussoorie, Nainital, like that. In 1 mark questions, you write one word answer or 1 sentence, like that. Second question. Which state of the following states has the highest literacy rate according to 2011 census? Here table is there. In a table, here Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar. That in Punjab, in first column INR per 1000, second one literacy rate, third one net attendance rate. In our question, what we asked, which state of the following states are highest literacy? So, in according to the table, highest literacy rate Himachal Pradesh 81%. Third one, which of the following is the largest peninsular river? Here options are there. Options A Krishna, B Godavari, C Kaveri, D Mahanadi. So peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers, which of the following is the largest peninsular river? That is Godavari is the largest one. It is the biggest one, peninsular rivers. Fourth one. Dance is the main production activity in Rampur. Rampur village in Rampur, that farming is the main activity or agriculture. Fifth one. Expand PDS. PDS means public distribution system. Public distribution system. Okay. Now next 6th question. Give any 2 slogans related to the environmental protection. Environmental protection. Here slogans. Save environment, save our life, save environment, save animal life, like that slogans. You write that kind of slogans. 7th. What is the immediate cause of First World War 1? First World War 1 immediate cause. For First World War, immediate cause murder of Austrian Prince Ferdinand by Bosnian Serb. This is the cause. That's why Austria declared a war against Serbia. Now next 8th one. In which year Russian Revolution or March Revolution occurred? Which year Russian Revolution or March Revolution occurred? Here options are there: 1971, 1917, 1961, 1981. So in that B, that is 1917. Russian Revolution took place in 1917. 91. Expand NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. UNO headquarters located. UNO, United Nations Organization, headquarters located in New York, America. Next, 11th one, the main aim of the Greenpeace movement. Main aim of the Greenpeace movement, here options are there. Increase in crop yielding, B, environmental protection, increase milk production, increase fish production. So, for us, the answer is environmental protection. Environmental protection, that is the answer. 12th one, Operation Barga took place in dash state. Operation Barga that took place in West Bengal. That is West Bengal state. West Bengal Operation Barga. Communist government in West Bengal on those days. Okay. So these are the 12 questions in section 1. That is 12 into 1, 12 marks. For 1 mark questions, you can write one word answer or one sentence like that. In second section, in the second section, 8 marks questions. 8 questions are there. Each question carries 2 marks. That is 8 to your 16. So here 8 questions. 8 questions. One question carries 2 marks. That is 8 to your 16 marks. 2 marks questions. 2 marks question. For example, now that question number 32. So in section 2, question number 13 to 20. In section 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 13 to 20, 2 marks questions. So 13 question. The development for one may not be the development for others. So write your opinion with an example. So the development for one may not be development for others. So for one country development or one group development is not development for others. For example, take for example, government constructing that one of the place in the place Kudangalam nuclear power plant, power project plant, Tamil Valley districts of Tamil Nadu. But people are against the project. So why the people are against? Because people said that due to the construction of the project, environmental problems, other issues are there. But the government is what the government is said. Government said in the construction of that project is very helpful to people because it's generating electricity. That is the government view. But people are that said another view. So here development for one is not development for others. So examples are there in our class already we discussed. Now 14th one. Observe the following table and answer the questions. Now here table year 1972-73 agriculture, industry, services. In 2009-2010 that same agriculture, industry and services. So here in some sectors are increasing, some sectors are decreasing. So here agriculture 74% is there in 72-73. In 2009-2010 53%. Agriculture decreased. Industry 11% is increased 22%. Service sector 15% is increased 25%. So you write that analysis only. So this sector is increased that kind of percentage. You study the table and analysis and write that points. For 2 marks questions, already I said that 13 to 20, that 8 questions, 8 to 16. For 2 marks questions, you write 4 points. 4 points, you must write 4 points or 4 or 5 points. Now next one. The Earth's average temperature is increasing at an alarming rate due reasons. So you know that Earth temperatures are you know that why earth temperatures are increasing means due to pollution, the industries are releasing waste materials, and vehicles also, you know that are releasing that smoke like that. In this way, uh, the carbon dioxide that increasing in the atmosphere, that means known as the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. That's why the global temperatures are increasing. You write that kind of answers. Next one. Identify the correct set of matching. We are matching. First one, here A group, B group. First Nerolac, Infosys, Tata, Cargill Foods, Ranbax. In group B, IT, oils, paints, pharmaceuticals, automobiles. So here match. First one Nerolac, you know that paints. Infosys, IT, Tata, automobiles, Cargill Foods, oil, Ranbax, pharmaceuticals. So matching. 71. If one country takes an aggressive stance against another country, should other country should also respond aggressively? Can that there be another way? Suppose one country is following aggression method. Aggression means attacking another country. At that time, the other country also not do like that only. The other side country that consult or meet that one of the world organization is there, UNO is there. UNO, United Nations Organization. In that way, UNO will solve the problems, whatever it may be problems. That is the solution. One country attacking another country, another country also not the same kind of response. It needs third party. That is UNO is there. Next one, 18th one. The Constitution of India begins with the statement, "We the people of India." Do you think that claim to represent all the people? So in the Constitution, one of the statement is in the Constitution, "We the people of India." Why they give that kind of statement? Because in the Constitution, Constitution is for the people only. People only wrote the Constitution for themselves. That's why Constitution that it belongs to people only. That's why the word, the sentence is suitable. Because everyone following according to that democratic principles. Next one. 19th one. Observe the following timeline and answer the following questions. Here timeline chart is a timeline chart. Here the questions are there. First one. Who was the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India? Non-Congress Prime Minister first one, Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai first non-Congress Prime Minister. Second one, in which year India made an agreement with Sri Lanka? India made an agreement with Sri Lanka in 1987. At that time, that is our Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Next one, 20. What is the purpose of Lok Adalat? Lok Adalat means people's court. Lok Adalat is very useful for poor people. In a Lok Adalat, that giving justice to poor people, no fees. That is the purpose of Lok Adalat. So here in this way, from 13 to 20 questions are there. Each question carries 2 marks. That 2 marks questions, you write 4 points or 5 points. That is the second section. And in the third section. In third section, here also 8 questions. One each question carries 4 marks. That is a 32 marks. 8 questions, each question carries 4 marks. So here from 21 to, that is 21 to 28. 21 to 28 for 4 marks questions. 4 marks questions, you write 6 points, 7 points, 8 points also you can write 4 marks questions. 29 question. First, the 21. What is the influence of the Himalayas on Indian agriculture? So, influence of Himalayas on Indian agriculture. You know that Himalayas are very helpful for India in the north side. The Himalayas are protecting our country from cold winds blowing from Central Asia. Due to the Himalayas only, that agriculture is well agriculture in North India because so many perennial rivers like Ganga, Indus, Sindhu. These rivers are flowing in North India only. That's why these rivers are born in Himalayas only. Due to the Himalayan mountains, the monsoons also is occurring in India. So that's why Himalayas are very useful for us. It is also helpful for Indian agriculture also. You can write for 4 marks questions, you can write 6, 7 or 8 points. Now 22 question. How are human activities contributing to global warming? So human activities are contributing to global warming. Global warming, you know that nowadays it is a major problem, a worldwide issue is global warming. Pollution, industries are releasing the waste, and also fossil fuels burning. That's why that carbon dioxide is increasing. Greenhouse gases, greenhouse effect is there. That's why global temperatures are increasing. Is known as a global warming. That's why human beings are responsible nowadays. That's why you write that 6, 7 or 8 points. Human activities, human activities only the global temperatures are increasing. That is nowadays using the AC, the refrigerator. These are also one of the causes for increasing of global temperature. 23. Observe the following table and answer the questions given below. Here table is employment and GDP. 23rd question. Agriculture in agriculture employment 72, 73 and 2009, 2010. Industry employment also year 72, 73 and 2009 and 2010. Services also. Now GDP, in the sectors, agriculture, industry, and service sector, these sectors share in the GDP. For now that example, questions are there. Table and below the table that questions are the first one. Which sector contributes high GDP in 2009, 2010? 2009, 2010, which sector contributes means service sector's share is more. In the table only, first you study the table and understand, and after answer the questions below. Which sector providing less employment during 72, 73? So 72, 73 less employment, that is 72, 73 employment, less employment, industry sector only. See here 11% only. Next one, which sector is the percentage of employment opportunities decreased during the 72, 73 to 2009, 10? Which employment that decreased in agriculture only? See that table here, very clearly here. Now next one. What is the share of industry sector in GDP? 72, 73 industry sector share 22%. 22%. Answers in table only. First you study the table and answer. Now next question, 24th question. Public distribution system can ensure better food security. So already I said that the PDS means a public distribution system. That is the ration shop. Government is providing a ration to poor people, a cheap, affordable cost or cheap rate. That's why it is very useful to poor people. With the less amount only they are getting food. That's why due to the PDS system, that is PDS. public distribution system. So through the PDS system, poor people are getting ration free, sometimes free of cost, or sometimes very less cost. That's why it's providing food security. Next one, write a short note on various causes of two world wars. For two world wars, so many causes are there for world wars. You know that immediate cause for World War I, murder of Austrian Prince Ferdinand by Bolshevik, and the Second World War immediate cause the Hitler attack on Poland. And other causes also there. Aggression, nationalism, imperialism, secret alliances. So you write the subheading and the right number pass. So many points are there. So here 4 marks question. You write 4 marks questions. You write 8, 9 points, 10 points also. You write there. So 4 marks questions. Okay. Now only I said that 4 marks questions. You write 8 points, 9, 10 points. 4 marks questions. There will be questions. What measures were taken to bring the socio-economic changes during the initial years after independence? After independence, the government of India, the Prime Minister, taking so many steps to brought so many changes in socio-economic way of the people. For example, reservations are provided, land reforms, so many land reforms are brought, Jamindar system cancelled. Jamindar system abolished, like the kinds of so many steps the government taken. What next one 27? What are the different roles done by United Nations in order to help peace? UNO, United Nations organization. UNO is a world organization. Is a very nowadays a powerful organization in protecting the world peace, solve the problems among the countries, whatever it may be that. So UNO role is a very, very important role nowadays. Not only that protecting the peace in the world, UNO is also doing another area, also social welfare also. UNO organization, UNO some organs are there like UNICEF, UNESCO. Yes, UNICEF, WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO. These kinds of organs are there. These organs, World Health Organization. Nowadays, WHO is very important. No, you are observing that World Health Organization giving guidance to countries how to protect the health of the people, like that. So even more so is a very, very important role in bringing the peace in the world. Next one. Write about Meira Devi movement. 28th question. Meira Devi movement. Meira Devi movement, you know that in Manipur, government send army because there some problems are there, direct people are against the government. That army here in Manipur violated that fundamental rights. That's why the people are in Meira Devi here in Manipur. Women are that is taking the torch, and the women are also that protecting that government's act. That is one army act passed in Manipur, like that. Now, in section 4. In section 4, here 5 questions are there. Here are 5 questions. So 1 question, each question carries 8 marks or 5 later 40. Section 4. Now questions here 29 to here 33. 8 marks questions. 8 marks questions means you write more points. 8 marks. That means you write 12, 13, 14 marks. Very big questions. Here 29. So from 29, section 4. If the Himalayas did not cast on the northern side, India might be, I say that. So already I said that India, Himalayan mountains are on the north side of our country. North side of country is very helpful. Protecting India that blowing cold winds from Central Asia, and also other that protecting Indian agriculture, just helpful to Indian agriculture, and if possible monsoons are occurring in India, that be the Himalayan mountains only. If the Himalayas are not there, India is completely what happened is a desert. Already I said that I means that the cold winds are blowing from Central Asia. That's why it is okay, desert I said. In section 4, we have internal choice. So in 29, or you must write in that question, 29, that question or below one question is there. That is internal choice. So next one, difference between the organized and unorganized sectors of the country. Organized sector and unorganized sector. You know that organized sector means the government only. Unorganized sector means is a private one. Organized sector here different that is particular timing hours, fixed salary, and facilities are there, visibility and also other allowances that kind of is there. But in unorganized sector, not that kind of no time. That is no fixed timing hours. Salaries are also not being properly. No health facilities, no allowances like that. Yes, for 8 marks questions already I said that you write more points. 8 marks means 12 points, 13, 14 points you write. Next 31. Should groundwater be considered as a common pool resource? Explain below. So groundwater is a common pool resource. Because groundwater is a flowing resource, no one has right to get the groundwater. But nowadays rules are the rules are that is a old type of rules, not update rules. For example, we have land, we can get groundwater. But actually, groundwater is a flowing resource. We have no right. Everyone has a right on that groundwater. That's why government must actually change the rules. Groundwater is not belongs to any person. Groundwater belongs to all. It is a common pool resource. That kind of answer. Environmental degradation is taking place globally. What methods being suggested? Environmental degradation. Nowadays, environment is decreasing due to the pollution and also getting a deforestation and also factories releasing waste materials and also that air pollution like that. What kind of methods we can take? For example, afforestation, that reduce releasing of the waste material, reduce the using of the fossil fuels. Like that points you can write, how can we save the environment? Like that points. Use the public transport system only, not for using personal vehicles. Like that. Now, next 31. How do you think RTA would help to improving and monitoring the work of government? RTA, Right to Information Act. RTA, 2000 or RTA. RTA Act 2005. Right to Information Act, according to that RTA Act, we get the information. What kind of information, even what kind of any information you can get from government offices. That is that RTA is very helpful. Already in our lesson we discussed about that one of that girl got to Sweta got her BSc degree through the RTA Act. RTA Act is very helpful because how do you the RTA will help in improving because due to the RTA Act every government department maintain records. If the people ask the records must actually give to the people. That is a Xerox copy, photostat copy. From these countries, people are to know how the government is spending money, how that government is doing welfare activities to the people. Any corruption is there, not there, people will easily understand that. In this way, government is very helpful. Due to the RTA Act, corruption will be reduced. Now, next to 31, internal choice. Write a short note on the basic principles of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution, our Constitution, so many basic principles are there, like that fundamental rights, equality, freedom, justice, that kind of principles are there in Indian Constitution. For already I said that in 8 marks questions, you get for full marks for 8 out of 8, you write 12 points, 12, 13, 14, like that. Now next 32 question. Based on the information given, answer the questions here in the table and questions. Sometimes the answers are not in the table. You read in the textbook and understand. Table is only helpful for you, but some answers also may be there in table. First one, who won the Second World War? You know that in Second World War, that Allied group won in the Second World War. In the Second World War, the 2 groups are there, one is Allied group, another one is Axis group. First World War is also Allied group and also Central Powers. What was the immediate provocation of World War I? You know that the immediate provocation for World War I, that murder of Austrian Prince Ferdinand by Bolshevik. Mention the superpower that joined lately in the Second World War II. Second World War II, that the superpower joined, that one USA. USA joined lately. Name the person mainly responsible for the mass murder of the Jews. You know that one of the person, Nazi party, Hitler, was responsible. Hitler was responsible for murder of the Jews. 32 internal choice. Next one. Yes. Which was the first country that establishes socialist government? So first country established the socialist government is Russia, USSR. USSR also known as Russia. First country USSR or Russia. Why did the civil war occur in Russia? You know that the civil war after the Bolshevik revolution, civil war occurred. One group is a Bolshevik party, Lenin, that socialist. Another one is a favor to monarchy, that is White Army. At last, that the Bolsheviks are succeeded. What are the Russian emperors called? You know that the Russian emperors are known as a Tsar. In Russia, the king are known as a Tsar. T7. Name the international organization which was formed to promote socialist ideology. So, international organization formed to promote socialist ideology, that is World Comintern. What is that? Comintern. Our Indian leaders' role is also an important role in the forming of the World Socialist Organization, the Comintern. Okay, next 33, last section 33 is a map pointing. In map pointing, world map, first one India map, next one world map. You write both maps, you write. Must still you write both maps, because one map for 4 marks questions, another map carries for 4 marks. So some students are what? Some students are, I observed. In the direction mark, some students are wrote only India map, some students are world map only. That is wrong. You must and should write 2 maps. At that time only you can get 8 marks. First one here Andaman Nicobar Islands, Krishna River, Kolkata, Kerala. You write this group or this group. MSK2, Jodabetta, Aravali, India models. Write that one. And in world map also 2 groups are there. Spain, Japan, Portugal, Russia. Then on Pacific Ocean, France, China, Tropic of Cancer. You choose this group or this group. Don't write here 2, here that one. It is wrong. Instead, write only this particular group. Totally in 33 questions, must and should attempt two that maps only. Indiana and Palina. This is the explanation of your grand test one. Your students, already I said that for one more question in section 1, 1 to 12, 12 into 1, 12 marks. For one more questions, you write one word or one line. Okay. In section 2, that 8 marks, that 2 marks questions are the 8 to the 16. For 2 marks questions, you write 4 points or 5 points later. 8 to the 16 later. In third section, 8 questions are there, each question carries 4 marks, 8 to the 32. For 4 marks questions, you write 6 points, 7 points later. Big questions. And very big questions in section 4, that is 8 marks. Each question carries 8 marks. By the 48 marks means you write 12, 13, 14, like that points. Okay? Okay. Next, I will later I will explain about the grand test. Okay? Then.